Hello everybody, this is Joanne Perry. Just want to come in for a quick video to show you what the kit looks like. The one called Birthday Fancy Kit, which is a from the kits collection, not Paper Pumpkin, is one of these boxes. This one here, and you can create 12 cards with it with all the supplies you need for it. All you need is, if you want to add more bling, you can do that, or if you want to put some greetings in French or in English, you can use whatever you have at home too. But it comes with a stamp set, and it comes with ink spot and a clear block, so you just need your adhesives. And let me show you what they look like. So I bought this kit for my mom, and she is here for a doctor appointment in Moncton. So we spent a few hours together to make them together. And these are all the cards. Not one same, they're all different. And these are the envelopes. They are gold on the tabs too. And I'll just do a little close-up because I found that it was really hard seeing what they look like on this. So if you got that kit, here's a close-up of the ones we made. You will notice just a little bit of variety, but you do what you want. Like this one here was just a boo-boo. She had some ink on the bottom, so I just cut her a piece of berry burst and put it on the back. But everything else is all the stuff from the kit. So if you're watching this, you can pause it and look at the different cards and make them, if you find that easier. That one here, and you notice her stamp set was French, but she wanted some in English, so I took some of my stamps I had in my stash. And there, so now she's got 12 cards for birthdays, 12 birthday cards, and all ready to go. She only needs to put the address and a stamp. That's it. If you're interested in this kit, let me know. This is what it's called, Birthday Fancy Kit. Thank you.